I find I do my best thinking in the shower.
Oh, me too. I used to have shower crayons I would write things, like I would get leads or ideas and I'd write them all over.
See, that's smart. I had shower chalk, and by the time the shower was done, it was all washed away.
And then you got to ring around the tub.
Smart. You put it on crayon.
Previously on TWiT. Tech News Weekly.
Holy moly, we have another social media network to track. It's called Threads, launched by this scrappy upstart you've never heard of, Meta.
It's not necessarily ready to entirely replace Twitter, but you can see the very basics of what it has. And it has all of those. And most importantly, it has people. That's the thing that I think every other platform that is trying to take over for Twitter doesn't have.
This Week in Space.
Joining us today, Jeffrey Notkin, who's, among many other achievements, starred in 3 seasons of Meteorite Men for Discovery Networks.
The scariest would definitely be in Kansas. So we're digging. Fortunately, we're both out of the hole when the entire bottom of the hole collapsed into a void. And there was this sigh like... And I thought, oh, we've accidentally uncovered the entrance to the underworld.
This Week in Google.
Mr. Jeff Jarvis.
Hello.
Who is author of a brand new book. Everybody show your book. Everybody in the audience, hold up your Gutenberg parentheses. And I also note that you have dedicated it to Craig Newmark, the Craig Newmark Graduate School of Journalism at the City University of New York.
Yes.
And even the book sings when you open it. It's amazing.
TWiT.
See, I didn't get that in the Kindle.